Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to make this body ruffle turban. I'm using the body to be 28 inches wideness, 35 inches length, and for the band 5 inches wideness and 24 inches length. So let's make the ruffle. First of all, mark 1 inches down. I'm making use of a doll face material. So I'm marking my 1 inches for the body of the turban. Then the next measurement is 2.5 inches. That's what I want to use for my ruffle on the body of the turban. So I'm marking my 2.5 inches. All the way down. Then I mark another 1 inch. This 1 inch is a kind of the spacing between the 2.5 inch of the first one and the 2.5 inch of another one. I'm using 2.5 inch for the ruffle of the turban. So I'm marking another 2.5 now. Just watch what I'm doing. All the way down. Another 1 inch. That's the measurement I'm using for the bodies, 1 inch and then 2.5 inch. 1 inch. All the way down. So this is basically what you do for the rest of the body. So after 1 inch, 2.5 inch again. The 1 inch is a kind of the gap that will be between the first ruffle and the second ruffle. Okay, let me show you how to sew. You pin together the 2.5 inches. Leaving the 1 inch, you pin together the 2.5 inch. So you leave the 1 inch again and pin together the 2.5 inch. That's why I said the 1 inch will serve as a gap between the first ruffle and my second ruffle. Good. So leave the 1 inch again and pin the 2.5 inch. I hope you are following. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if in the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so. Kindly do so. Like and share my videos. Drop your comments so that I will know whether I'm improving or not, whether you are getting it or not. Leave the 1 inch gap again. Good. Then you mark your 2.5 inch. And the 2.5 inch is what we are going to pin together and sew later. That's what will make up our body ruffle. Okay, take it to the sewing machine and sew. Ensure that this, after pinning, that you still have your body of your turban up to 14 or 15 inches. So take to the machine and sew all that you have pinned together. After sewing it, it should look like this. You have formed the pleats, so it's remaining the ruffles. Bring your bias and cut length of 24 inches. You know our body size is 28, but now we want to make it to the normal 24 inches for the body of the turban. So you use your bias to achieve that. Pass your bias through the pleats using your pin, your safety pin. Pass it all the way down. Okay. Be careful not to let the bias enter inside from the other end. So be careful and pin them. This is what you do for the rest of the other pleats in order to form your ruffle. Remember that the measurement for the bias should be 24 inches. For the bias, 24 inches. So pin it. This is what you do for the rest of the body pleats in order to achieve your ruffle. So at the end, this how it will look like. So next is to attach your band. Go to your machine and attach your hairband, and then sew like the normal turban. So this is it after attaching the band and sewing. So we'll gather. Remember, if you are making this for sale, you need to weave it. So make your gather just like the normal turban. And that is just that. That's how you make your body ruffle turban, the trendy body ruffle turban. Can you see that? Can you see that? So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you